A quick video today on this Roebic mainline cleaner. This is for busting up clogs running out to either your sewer or your septic. For even if you have a public sewer, the pipes, for instance, running out to it over time, they get clogged up, whatever. And if it backs up in your house, it's not going to be good. Same thing with septic as well. For a lot of us that live in rural areas that have septic lines, and then also too are lines running out to the septic and the septic itself. This clog buster here with the bacteria helps break a lot of that material up, and it's a good maintenance product to use. So let's kind of go over real quick what their instructions are, and I'll tell you how I use it. Now, what they say is that to get the best effect with this, you want to pour it into the toilets and flush it down, and give it about 6 hours to simmer without a lot of water activity running through there. So perhaps when you go to bed at night, it's a good time to do it, or you're leaving for the day or something like that, where you can go ahead, put this product in for 6 hours, let it do its thing, and carry on. So this container here is 32 ounces. I have 4 toilets in my house. They say pour 8 ounces into the toilet. So here, that'll use up this whole bottle for me. Now, what they say is repeat, for best results, repeat this 4 days in a row. So you can do that, like if this is the first time that you're using it, probably a good idea to follow what they say. Maybe get 4 bottles, whatever, use it one day, then use it another day, so on for 4 days if you've never used it before. And then they say repeat application every 6 months is needed. Now, what I have found that's worked real well for me is that once, I started doing this and all that, I use one of these bottles once a month. So once a month, I'll go and I'll pour my 8 ounces into each toilet, flush it down, basically use the whole bottle, and I use it as a maintenance product, and I don't have any problems. So that has been the schedule that I have followed with it, and it works quite well. Very easy. Pretty much you just shake it up, you pour it into the toilet, pour the 8 ounces into the toilet, and then flush it down, let it do its thing. And yeah, not all that hard. Pretty simple. So anyways, folks, I've tried other products. I've found this one, seems like to me, works the best. Been very happy with it. So definitely check this out. It's also affordably priced. You can buy a bunch of them at one time, whatever. Yeah, it works real well. Very happy with it. Definitely check it out. Y'all have a good one.